Let's see how a post can be password protected with such a password, and comments can be turned on and off. First, from the WordPress dashboard, we will come to the post and open the post whose password protection and comments we want to turn on or off in the editor. After that, we will click on Discussion from the right site. Here, you can open the open and closed clauses. Then, if we want to protect a post with a password, then first we have to click on Publish from the editor of that post. Then there is an option called Password Protect among the many options here. Click here and click on the Publish button with the password of your choice and finish. In this way, the comment section of a post can be turned on and off and password protected. We work on WordPress hybrid website building with document editing services and can make WordPress as per your requirements. You can contact us by clicking on the contact given in the description. Thank you.